This is how you fuck up a house, take that bitch down in one motherfucking day. Got your boy Tim Haynes coming live from Ariana, and your boy Thomas. We doing it nasty.
Big nasty.
We finna pull this bitch down with the stake in Lincoln. As you can see, the Lincoln all backed up, posted up, door open, looking clean as death. We finna rip this foundation down and like, how many pulls you think? One pull, two pull, one pull, one pull.
Out the game, bro.
One pull. And that bitch is going down, down. Yeah, man, we been out here since 8 o'clock this morning. Shit, we damn near done, bro. Yeah, pull this bitch down, cut that motherfucker up, ching ching chop. Good. We finna do it nasty. See the rope? Finna put a rope on that motherfucker. We finna do it nasty.
There you go.
Call it Big Nasty. Shit. Shit.
This is some real shit.
Real shit.
You didn't know what you did?
Ain't shit fake about this. The only thing that ain't real is you, motherfucker. Oh.
We don't want to pull up.
This happened in Polk County, Florida.
We wanted to pull up the
86th Street, bro. That's how we tear down shit around here. Just right. Shit, you see that shit, man? We been tearing out there. We got a trailer full of shit almost. All this shit right there, bruh. All around. Finna do it nasty. Ooh, look at that. He got that power. He can pull that bitch in my hand. Oh, watch it lean with it, right? That bitch shaking. Ain't shit under this way.
Huh?
See? Oh, ain't finna tie it to the car. Wanna park the trunk? Park the trunk. Do it from the trunk.
You can do it from the trunk?
I got my thing with my trunk go down there.
Let's see.
Huh?
Put it on pause. We'll be right back.
We'll be right back.